the prices of two sizes of candles at a shop are shown below. Small candles, $3 each. Large candles, $5 each. Sarah bought an equal number of candles, equal number of small and large candles. She spent $120 altogether. How many candles did she buy altogether? Now, when they mention that the number of candles bought for small and large, they are equal, it means for every one small, there will be one large. Two small, two large. So what we can do is to group one small candle, which is $3 each, together with one large candle, $5 each. Okay, so the cost of one group of items will be equals to $3 add to $5, $8. This is just for one group, but of course this person spent $120, so there's definitely more than one group of items. Next up, number of groups. 120 divided by 8. $15 of such groups. How many candles did she buy altogether? Now in each group there is 1 and 2 candles, so there are 15 groups. So the total number of candles will be equals to 15 times 2. There will be 30 for our answer for this question.